Welcome back to the Plow Channel, your ultimate source for the latest updates on agriculture machines, ingenious tools, heavy equipment, and more. When you look at this design, you are reminded of warships with a stem and straps. It is not clear why a solid fence is needed on the nose of the new Dramus D150T tractor. But it is obvious that this powerful beast was created to ensure the best performance, maximum reliability, and safety. Open Landscape Day is a kind of interesting event made possible by Brillmeyer. At this celebration of life a few years ago, a new range of 15 machines with different attachments was presented. Everything was top-notch, and every customer was able to learn in more detail how wet meadows and marshes can be maintained with new technology. One of the unique features of Virgo One is the ability to install additional software and additional sensors for arms to harvest and process a wide variety of crops. According to the manufacturers, the Virgo One robot is a complete mobile platform for any agricultural area. The use of such smart mechanisms will soon allow farmers to move away from the use of bulky harvesting machines. The new TrioTrack M-Feed mixer, presented recently by the company's engineers, has a fundamentally new feed loading system. When designing the model, the developers decided to abandon the old design, as the mixer would have turned out to be incredibly long. The highlight of this machine is the high-precision scales, which allows you to strictly observe the proportions of the feed mass to ensure an optimal diet for the animals. What do we know about the 4-rotor rake we see on the screen? Firstly, we know that the manufacturer of this machine is Kubota. We also know that the RA4513 has been equipped with a rare combination of a flexible rotor support arm and 3-dimensional suspension, which provides unrivaled terrain following and clean raking. Tired of fighting annoying weeds? No longer have the strength to weed manually? Then the perfect solution is to buy a mechanical weeder. Thanks to its new automated processes, it will always keep your land in perfect condition. The developers of the tractor with a ripper awarded it with another significant advantage. The technique moves along the sides of the planting, not on top of the plants. The result is a whole and unharmed crop. The new Quadrant 5300 baler is designed for very high outputs per hour. The crop flow is more homogeneous and accelerated, allowing faster and more uniform work in the field. This applies to everything from the pickup, which easily swallows even large and uneven swaths, to the perfectly compacted bales with particularly strong edge compaction, making them resistant to transportation and storage. The Primera DMC is a high-performance universal seed drill with appropriately equipped coulters. It is suitable for both mulch and direct sowing, as well as for sowing after plowing. This drill has been specially developed for direct and mulch sowing in severely arid regions. Low loaders are often used in the mining industry, and the Panther Series 2 is just right for this purpose. The machine differs from its competitors, firstly by its high load capacity, but also a huge advantage of the loader is that it comes with a set of additional grounding and mining equipment. Take a look at the revolution sweeping the cotton hauler industry. The new Collier & Miller cotton trailer is an adaptable frame system that will increase your productivity and reduce the cost of transporting cotton. This safe, reliable, and fully tested trailer is now the new standard in cotton module transportation. Did you say it's an odd-looking machine? Perhaps, but in fact, it is needed for quite specific tasks. This ground bucket ladder dredger allows its owner to effectively extract sand and gravel from wet quarries. Moreover, the technique can descend into the ground even at a distance of 14 meters, and this cannot fail to please. The new Boltec anchor drilling machines are available in 2 models, the M10 and E10. They are designed to increase rock productivity and the quality of anchor installation. thanks to intelligent options and compatibility with different types of anchor bolts. The new control panel has reduced noise levels and improved operator visibility. The wood chipper is now used by many public utilities, for which the chopping of branches or the uprooting of stubborn stumps is one of the main tasks in the spring and fall. That's why eTerra Attachments decided to show the world its Vortex stump grinder, which copes perfectly with all the tasks at hand. The HS8300 excavator is specially designed for heavy mining applications. In dragline mode, the Liber Rope excavator impresses with its high productivity. Its hydraulic accumulator enables energy to be recovered during operation with the dragline bucket. This reduces fuel consumption and wear on the free dump winch. The Degelman belt roller you see on the screen is one of the heaviest and most reliable in the entire world. It is ideal for growing peas, beans, and lentils. It also prepares the perfect bed for hay, grass, and silage. The machine's rigid frame, made of heavy-duty structural tubes, drums, with enlarged shafts and bearings, heavy-duty crosslinks, and cylinders, are just some standard features of this heavyweight. This is Vermeer's powerful new trencher. This is a true titan that offers customers tremendous efficiency and high productivity, and all because engineers gave the equipment a lot of horsepower and the largest digging depth. It is worth noting that in the model range of the company, this is the most powerful technique. Road potholes are a problem in many countries, and a lot of money is spent on repairing them. JCB has taken it upon itself to solve this problem when it introduced its new Pothole Pro. The manufacturer claims that their equipment is designed to reduce the time of repairing potholes on the roads by 4 times and financial costs almost twice, which is also no small factor. In 2021, a new player has entered the rotary telehandler market. The first JCB model in this category, Model 512-83R, presented in response to the global demand for this type of equipment with a large lifting capacity. By the way, this machine has 5.5 tons, and the maximum working height reaches 25.5 meters. Impressive! The Sandvik DD212 is a robust, compact, and truly versatile single-boom electro-hydraulic tunnel boring rig, specially designed for use in shallow formations. The machine offers several important advantages. It is capable of tunneling smaller cross-sections for better control of dilution, and is also characterized by a higher quality of drilled faces and tunnel profiles. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of agriculture machines, genius tools, and heavy equipment. If you want to stay updated on our latest releases, make sure to subscribe to The Plow and leave a comment with your thoughts.